said this before, I'm going to be a meteorologist in my next life.
10 minutes later, they were wrong. But whatever. That's the fun of camping. Well, look who's joined us again. So would you play that with me at home? Like I said, if I go slower.
You go at the idiot level?
And I know we were joking about New Jersey being rude, but we're in a place actually where they're not.
That was a beautiful ride. We have arrived. We're staying at a gorgeous Harvest Host this weekend, just one night, and then we are headed to one of our favorite places, which we will bring you along. So this trip is a holiday weekend trip. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're meeting up with some good friends of ours that you may have seen on our channel before, but this is our first trip as empty nesters and our first trip with Bowser alone since Sierra passed. So there's a lot of new things on this trip, but we're really excited. We have a lot of fun things planned and we can't wait to bring you along. So really interesting story. We pulled into this Harvest Host today. We just booked it randomly. It's on the way down where we're headed. And we pulled in and the guy, I said, I recognize this guy from somewhere. And I said, what's your name? And he told me, he said, Antonio. And I said, wait a minute, aren't you the guys that own Skido? Or Skido, however they say it? That's where we get all of our shirts and all of our merchandise made. This is where it happens. So we're staying at the Harvest Host. This is where they live. They have a beautiful home here and they have their printing area, huge area in their home. So we got to go in and see where our shirts are made. It was so crazy. We had no idea we just didn't connect it. But then when we saw each other, we were so excited. So we got to see, where the magic happens. And what we do want to mention here is that they have this just massive farm. They have tons of animals. As you can see, Bowser right now is very, very intrigued by the peacocks and all the birds. And they have alpacas and goats and it's just so amazing.
We got some heavy rain last night, but it's sunny out right now. We got a little bit of a later start today. We're not going to leave till about 12 o'clock because we're only about, an hour and a half away?
Yeah.
Or so, and we can't check in till 3, so maybe even later. We got a question on our Instagram from Gabe. We met him down in Tampa with his kids. They were all great. We've been incorporating in some of our video vlogs some secret recipes, right? Like we had your cousin Kathy, her eggplant recipe, and then I did the guacamole recipe. You guys are really taken to it. So Gabe asked a question. He wanted to know what I put in my shake. And we've done this in other videos. I don't know if I actually told people what goes in it. So if you're interested, this is for you, Gabe, and for anybody else that may be interested. So you can tailor this however you want. We do everything plant-based with this. We try to keep it dairy-free. So we're just going to do an almond, I'll call it almond beverage because that's what Trader Joe's calls it. Some people call it almond milk.
You can use any milk you want.
It doesn't matter. I do about 24 ounces of that. Plant-based protein. This is Sun Warrior.
And this is good.
I like the chocolate. Been doing that for years. And this shake I've been doing, I don't know how long, babe.
A long time.
10 plus years. We need some cinnamon, by the way. A little bit of cinnamon. I'll usually put flaxseed in here, but we forgot to bring it, so that's not happening. Then I'll do a banana. And again, you can do whatever you want. Sometimes I'll put different berries in here. Look who comes.
Oh my gosh. The second a banana peel gets opened.
It's crazy. He is a banana addict.
He is. He really is.
There you go. All right, so we have that. This is the one I like, but again, you can replace it with any type of berries you want. These are wild frozen blueberries. So instead of using the ice, I just use frozen berries. You do need like a decent blender. It doesn't have to be an $800 blender, but just something that's going to blend everything up. I just do a scoop of strawberries. And the reason I do the blueberries and the strawberries, the antioxidants. You can put raspberries in there. You can put blackberries, which actually we do have blackberries. And we've got to throw some in there.
Yep.
I'm going to do a handful of mangoes. That's really just to kind of sweeten it up a little bit. We do have blackberries, which I love. You're not a big fan of blackberries.
I don't really know. I like every kind of berry except that one.
So I'll throw some blackberries in there.
Exactly, baby.
And then I'm going to throw a little bit of peanut butter. I like the Trader Joe's. I think it's the best. You can do the powdered peanut butter if you want to cut down the calories. I don't put that much. I just like that peanut butter flavor. Probably like that much. What is that,
it's like a spoon. Yeah, about.
Peanut butter.
Especially Trader Joe's peanut butter.
Finally, the baby spinach. Why do I use baby spinach? Because it's not harsh. You throw kale in here. Not that we don't like kale, we do. But this, you don't really taste it, and you get some greens in you. So put that all in there. I'm going to let it blend. You want to blend it till everything is smoothed out, and it's like a smoothie consistency. Why do I do this every morning? Couple of reasons. One, it's guaranteed to hydrate me because it's probably going to be more than this. As soon as I drink this, it's 4 or 5 full peas within an hour and a half because you're just hydrated.
Sure, everybody wanted to know that.
They're going to want to know why I chose these ingredients. Second, high antioxidants with all the berries in there. And we get the frozen berries because they're picked at peak ripeness and they last a long time. They're frozen. Plus, it makes nice smoothie consistency. And finally, well, 2 final things. It tastes delicious and there's a lot of stuff packed into here. So we eat fruits and vegetables throughout the day. It's very difficult to eat this amount. This is what we go through, or I go through. I go through this in a week, just making the shake. So I think it's a good thing. I don't know if it is or it isn't, but it guarantees I'm able to take in that amount of fruit. Let's go and see. You can see the consistency. Again, this is a cheap old Oster blender. Is that how you say it, hon? Oster?
I think it's Oster.
Oster, maybe, but it's always so good. I never get tired of it. I'm a creature of habit. And then I'll have it with a little bit of maybe toast or something else. I don't know. But today we're going to have a little bit of toast with, we got this new jam that we picked up here. Apparently it's made by monks out in Michigan, so I'll have a little toast with jam.
You ready to go, bud? Who's ready? Who's a good boy? We ready?
I get something in my belly, and it feels like I just ate.
You did.
But it's actually several hours later, and we have like an hour. How fresh it is.
What's in here for me?
The son of a dog trainer. Look at this.
Well, yeah, but if he were bad, he'd be grabbing food out. He knows not to grab it. Right, buddy? We've mentioned this in the video a few videos ago about how Izzy's, why is there so much food? And then I say, well, I have to pack this thing, tons of food. I have to fill it because Izzy always said there's nothing here to eat, even though it's filled. Am I right?
These pizzas are ready to go. I'm ignoring that. We want to thank the sponsor of this video, Release Cleaner. If you don't know what Release Cleaner, it is the best all-in-one solution. We love to do these demonstrations, guys, because Release you can use for everything on your motorhome. From the front, which we're going to demonstrate, your paint, your wheels, glass, interior, you can use it on your clothing, upholstery, it doesn't matter. Release does it all, guys. Based in the USA, no dyes or sulfurs in this formula. We've been using it for a long time, and I think thousands of our subscribers have used it because we get comments every single time we talk about this, how good it is.
It is the bee's knees, baby.
It is the bee's wax of things. So it rained really heavy last night, but there are still some bug marks on here, and you can see, I don't know how well you can get it. There's some just, dirt streaking. So what I'm gonna do is with the foam dispenser, a lot of you guys ask, where do you get the foam dispenser? ReleaseCleaner.com, they sell this foam dispenser also. I'm just gonna spray a little bit right here, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit where the bugs are, because the formula in Release will associate with that. You're gonna see how quickly you can wipe everything off. Let me just do the whole thing and just wipe it. You can just see the dirt that's gonna come off. A really important update, guys. Starting September 30th, there will be a slight increase in price. It's still gonna cost you a little over $1 per 32-ounce bottle if you buy the concentrate. But why I say that is because if you order before September 30th, you're gonna get the best price, including free shipping, anything $75 or over. So let's look over here, guys. I'm just gonna quickly wipe. There were some bug marks here, and we'll just kind of come across here. And then I'm gonna show you how much dirt it's going to take off and the bugs. There was a bug right there. That bug's gone. You can see some of the dirt taken off, guys. It rained a lot last night, so our RV is not as dirty as it normally would be, but there was some streaking here as far as the dirt coming down, and you can see that's gone also. Best deal you're gonna get, guys, is the 1 gallon concentrate. Again, if you order before September 30th, it's gonna cost you about $1.12 per 32-ounce bottle. You get 80 bottles out of that 1 gallon concentrate at the most powerful dilution, which is a 1 part Release to 20 part water. After September 30th, still super affordable, just over $1.12 a gallon. And then you get a free shipping before September 30th, $75 and over. After September 30th, it's gonna be $100 and over for free shipping. However, you always save. You use the discount code
Endless 10.
10% off of your purchase. We love it, guys. You can read the reviews from our subscribers. They absolutely love it. We use this all the time. If you want more information, we'll put the link down below, releasecleaner.com.
All right, guys, we're in the shop. Vicky Rutherford, if you're watching, your order came in, so I'm going to do your shirt. This is so exciting. Okay, so move it from here, right? I got to make sure I'm doing this correct. Okay, and then we're going to pull this down. 15 seconds. This is so cool. I'm so excited. So right now it's setting 5 seconds. Okay, and
Gotta put some muscle into it.
all right. Move it aside. And then this just peels right off, right? Look at that. RVing in the USA. Then we're going to do a second press. Vicky, I'm doing this with love, just for you. So another 15 seconds.
You can show them the shirt.
Look at that, guys. So if you order one of these, just realize, guys, you're helping a small business here, right? And you're getting an awesome patriotic shirt. Guys, thank you so much for letting, I'm so excited I got to print our own shirt. So Vicky, this is on its way to you. We are here and we are staying at Depot Travel Park. Now this is in Cape May, New Jersey. I think it's actually West Cape May. But it's a new campground that we never even really knew was here. We've been to Cape May a bunch of times, so we're really excited we found this. We're going to do a full review on it, just an early summary. I'm not so thrilled with the service, but it is Jersey, and we'll get to that. I feel like it's a repeat of the one about a month ago, but I digress. Anyway, we'll give it a chance, and we'll just go through the weekend here and see how it goes. But we are headed out to dinner with our wonderful friends Tom and Missy Northam. You've seen them on our channel before. So we're gonna try out a place called Elaine's in Cape May, which is like a bed and breakfast, and they do all different like holiday things.
We always walk by it.
Yeah, we always walk by. We always do like a huge Halloween thing and all different lights. So we're gonna actually walk Bowser for a little bit, get him tired out. Then we're gonna meet them for dinner, and then probably walk around Washington Street Mall and see some of the Victorian houses. It just never gets old. Well, look who's joined us again.
Stalkers.
You're right. Tom and Missy are here. There's Izzy. And so we're walking around Cape May, guys. It's so beautiful. But it's so funny because we always talk about Jersey being rude. And even the crosswalks are rude. So I don't know if it's going to do this again. We just...
Let it turn
okay.
Right,
So we just encountered this crosswalk that pretty much yelled at Missy for attempting to cross. All right, let's see. Wait. It yells at you. Right? Where else but in Jersey?
We had a great night last night, guys. The dinner was on
point.
Thank you. On point. It was so good. Always good to hang out with Tom and Missy. And I know we were joking about New Jersey being rude, but we're in a place actually where they're not. And we're at the Cape May Tomato Festival, right? West Cape May Tomato Festival. So it's actually just like a big flea market. We haven't seen tomatoes yet.
No, we haven't.
But they have all different kinds of stands and
A lot of donuts.
a lot of,
tomatoes.
yeah, a lot of baked goods, foods, like products, jewelries, blankets, things like that. Bowser's enjoying it very much. We're almost at 3 miles walk. We walked down to the beach. So the campground is actually about 1.2 miles from the beach. So it's about a half-hour walk. So if you want to go for a really nice walk, I mean, we're going to get into this in the campground review. The location is really great. But, I think he's getting tired. But yeah, we're having a blast. Today's going to be a beautiful day. It's this wonderful man's birthday. Happy birthday. So we're just going to enjoy it, take it easy today.
What a perfect day. We're getting ready for the LU opening football game, which is on tonight at 6 p.m. Jason just sent us some pictures of his face all painted. He's like way into it. But we had to run out to the hardware store. He's going to pick up a little spot repair on the RV. Nothing new. It's been I've been meaning to do it for a while, but I have a little bit of time. Not a big deal. But MJ is picking me up dessert, and you want to talk to about how hard this is to find.
Yeah, if anybody knows, you have New York cheesecake and Italian cheesecake.
New York is what everybody has.
Right, but Italian cheesecake is very hard to find, even in where we live. But I found a place that has it in Cape May, so we're gonna go. They only sell it by the slice, so I told Izzy I will get him a piece of that because that's his favorite.
I like it so much because it's not as like heavy. It's much lighter. A lot of places that we go to, yeah, we have it. I get all built up, right? Because I haven't had this in a pretty long time. And then we get there, oh, we're sold out. Oh, we don't have it. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen.
Well, I called weeks ago and he said, now we have it every day. So we'll see. So how was my dinner for you?
It was wonderful. It was so good.
And the cheesecake?
It was very good. And it was the Italian cheesecake.
It was. And that.
So we have to come to Cape May next time.
I know. It's hard to find that. And it's hard to find when it's really good, too. Yeah. So it was a delicious dinner. Now we're watching the football game. Bowser is chilling in his little pen, and we're going to have a nice, relaxing night. I've said this before, I'm going to be a meteorologist in my next life, because today was supposed to be thunderstorming all day, and now it's going to be sunny for most of the day.
That's what they say.
Yeah, we'll see.
Which means it might rain.
Somebody just went for a walk, and it's a little warm. But he loves being outside. What are you doing? You're cleaning one of our most annoying RV items that we love.
Another reason that it's annoying.
Gotta love the black zone. So what are we making tonight?
I don't know. What are we making? Burgers, right? They're bringing burgers.
They're bringing burgers. We're having, yeah, we have
corn,
salad. Well, Tom's and Missy, they're bringing beans for themselves.
Beans.
So
yeah, it'll be simple. Nothing fancy tonight.
It was supposed to be really bad today. Thunderstorms all day again. And I think we lucked out. It's showing that I think we're gonna escape. It's supposed to rain tonight. So far it's just cloudy, but I think we're going to be able to be outside. So, and 10 minutes later they were wrong. So it just started raining. That's what awnings are for. So we're going to hide out under the awning. I think this is going to pass pretty quickly because it's only showing on the radar for like 15 minutes, but whatever. That's the fun of camping. So we're just going to hang out here, put the TV on. Our friends are almost here, and then it's time to manja.
We're here with Tom and Missy again. We just had a great
Yay!
They're going to teach us how to play a new card game.
So what is this game called, Missy?
Dutch Blitz.
Dutch Blitz. Put in the comments below, guys, if you've ever played Dutch Blitz. We're learning,
this
so
is a modified version.
We'll see. So is this easy to learn?
Yes.
You think? Okay. Tom, do you agree?
If Missy can learn it, anybody. That's not true. If I can learn it,
You're gonna get all
anybody can learn it. Yeah, that's sorry. I don't beat my wife. I love her.
So are you getting it?
No.
Thank God. Tom is coaching from the sidelines. It's very, very fast paced. Because you've never played solitaire, that's why. If you play solitaire, you're gonna understand.
I'm getting the concept, but you have to be much
fast, yeah.
For sure.
So
Way too fast paced.
all right, so let's see what we've got here. Oh wait, the light's coming out.
Hey, honey, who won?
Beginner's luck.
I did not win.
Oh, that was fun, guys. So would you play that with me at home? If like I said, if I go slower.
You go at the idiot level?
Yes? No?
Yeah, but
All right, good. We're closing up shop, finishing up the last holiday weekend of this summer.
Summer's over.
Yeah, but a lot of cool things to come in the fall, so that's really cool. So guys, after today's video, we're kind of going into Hershey mode. So even if you're not going to the Hershey show, we're going to be bringing you a lot of coverage from the Hershey show. We're going to be going live. We're going to bring you really cool RV tours, and we're going to do something like we did last year. We weren't covering just the higher end RVs. We're going to be bringing you a lot of budget friendly RVs as well, kind of a mix of both. So this way you can kind of get a variety of different things, and you guys seem to like those last year, so we're going to continue to do that. We'll bring you a little bit of everything. Make sure you're subscribed, you got your notification bell on, so when we do go live, you are ready to see what we're going to bring to you.
Also, what's nice this year is that we're going to be traveling throughout the year, so we're not
Until
really
retirement.
stopping. We'll slow down a little bit, like November, December, but we'll still be traveling. So make sure you subscribe, notification bells on. In the comments below, guys, let us know what are your travels for the fall. It's usually the people's most favorite time to travel. Also, do you travel through the winter? Do you do cold, warm? We want your feedback. If you like videos like this, guys, to the left of us, we'll put our RV vlogs playlist. We'll put our well, for Hershey, we'll put our RV tours playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.